Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto-friendly Starbucks iced coffee. So let's get started. I'm going to be placing a pod. Alright, now we are going to pour the espresso shot. Now when it comes to a keto-friendly drink, you don't want to add any sugar. The less sugar, the better. So now we're going to add our milk. I am going to be using oat milk, and unsweetened is the best. Oat milk is so good. And there you have it, a keto-friendly iced coffee. And it is so delicious. It's low in sugar and low in carbs and really keto-friendly. So here is the final product. And so there you have it. Thanks for watching. And if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Other than that, oh, my refrigerator is going. Just wait till that goes. Okay, thank you. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.